They said that the Trek Marlin 5 is a beginner budget mountain bike, but not for my bike. Not anymore. This bike comes with a brand new air suspension fork. It goes from straight to tapered. This is the SR Santour Epixon air suspension fork. It has a 100 to 120 millimeters of travel, 33 millimeters wide, and this fork is really awesome on the trail. On the drivetrain, it has a SRAM Eagle SX and a combination of SRAM Eagle NX. The cassette is a SRAM Eagle NX, but the rear derailleur and the crank is a SRAM SX. As you can see, there is the dub bottom bracket, and I actually changed the hubs to the beachy hubs. It has a very nice hub sound. It's very loud, and people can hear me far away before being there, so it's very nice. Front and back Labici hubs. There you go. And I also changed the pedals to Rock Bros, including the grips, very foamy, and including the saddle. It's also Rock Bros. Aside from that, I also have an external dropper seat post from Zoom. There you have it. This is externally routed. The reason why it is externally routed is because for Trek Marlin 5, it does not have that hole on the seat tube, and I am very rough on my bike. I don't want to drill any hole and then void the warranty. It's not gonna work for me. I love my bike, and that's something that I wouldn't do. So you can see there is the external dropper seat post, shift. I also use a cat eye bell, and by the way, I need to buy an adapter. The adapter is actually from Weapon, so that I can fit in my tapered air suspension. The wheel set, I haven't changed the wheel set yet. It's still the XR2 Comp Bontrager, but someday I plan to change the tires to a Maxxis tires, 2.3 in front and 2.2 at the back. So this bike is a trail worthy bike now. It can handle drops, it can handle stiff uphill and rough downhills. So this is my current setup right now after 3 months of buying this bike. And I also have my new BJJ biker sticker. Thank you, Lazada. All right, there you have it. Overall, it's getting better. I love the performance of this bike. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you for watching all my videos. Until next time.